Given the booming state of the animation industry, which currently generates billions of dollars, it is evident that there is a continuous and increasing demand for animated content. What's even more surprising is that YouTube creators are now raking in millions of dollars by producing videos with basic 2D animations. In light of this remarkable growth, it prompts the question, why are we falling behind? It's high time for us to seize this opportunity and become a part of this billion-dollar animation industry. Furthermore, if you lack experience or the proficiency to operate complex software like Blender 3D, there's no need to fret. We will harness the power of artificial intelligence to craft animated videos. Our role will solely entail providing prompts, while the AI will adeptly handle all the technical aspects. So, let's embark on this thrilling journey together. Creating a compelling video necessitates an enthralling narrative. To simplify this tutorial, we will craft a concise adventure tale spanning just 200 words. However, for your actual audience, it is imperative to create a narrative that is both more captivating and original. If you are unfamiliar with utilizing ChatGPT for this purpose, I recommend watching my previous video, where I elucidate how to generate unique and engaging stories using this tool. You can find the link in the description below or by clicking the I button on the screen. If you have any further inquiries, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments. To effectively bring our story to life through animation, we will employ an impressive tool known as Steve AI. Steve AI is a text-to-video converter that facilitates the creation of both live-action and animated videos based on written content. It boasts exceptional user-friendliness. If you are new to Steve AI, you will need to register for an account. To do so, simply click on the Sign Up for Free button and proceed to create an account using either your email address or Google account. Upon successful login, you will be directed to the Creator page, where the enchantment of transforming text into captivating videos occurs. Commence by exploring the array of options available, such as transforming text into a video or animation, converting audio into a video, or even morphing a tweet into a video. Steve AI excels at video creation. For this tutorial, our focus will be on crafting an animation video. Click on Text to Animation and select the video type, specifically animation. Then opt for the video ratio, with 16:9 being ideal for YouTube videos. Subsequently, choose the category for your video and concoct an attention-grabbing title. After these preliminary steps, click on V8 Sample Script, and Steve AI will generate a sample script based on your story. Now, return to ChatGPT, copy your adventure story, and paste it into Steve AI. Click Next to proceed. Now, it's time to choose a template for your video. The AI will generate visuals and storyboards for your video based on your script. Diligently review each scene and make necessary adjustments. While I will expedite this part for brevity, it is paramount to allocate ample time for editing, as it plays a pivotal role in making a positive impact on your audience. With the visual editing completed, it's time to incorporate a voiceover into your video. You have two options: either record your voice or employ the voice generation feature of Steve AI. For this video, we will leverage Steve AI's voice generation. Select the desired language, accent, and gender for the voiceover. Steve AI offers a plethora of voice models to choose from. After making your selections, click Generate. You can then play the video to assess the voiceover, which should sound remarkably natural thanks to Steve AI's exceptional voice generation capabilities. With all elements in place, it's time to publish the video. Click the Publish button and Steve AI will commence processing the video. Once the processing is complete, you can download the final version. Your animation video is now primed for action. Click the Download button to save it. We have successfully created an animation video ready for upload to your YouTube channel, potentially yielding real monetary returns. That concludes today's tutorial. I hope you found it engaging and enlightening. If you have any questions or require further guidance, please do not hesitate to leave a comment below. Also, please consider liking and subscribing if you found this video valuable. Thank you for watching, and until next time, continue animating and nurturing your creativity.